So here we are with our 900th rainy day this winter. Y'all, it has rained so much here that our shower is just backing up from the septic system. And it's not because of use of water in the house, it's because of so much water here, and it just will not quit raining. Oh, it's a nightmare. It hasn't rained this much in the winter time, or any time for that matter, and I can't tell you how many years. And it's just been one rainy day, and I'm talking substantial rain after another. It's insane. Hello, kitty. Aren't you glad you've got this porch to get under? To get out of the rain. Yes. Oh, she's such a lover. Such a lover. Look at those beautiful eyes. We have springs out here under the ground, and when the water table is up, they run out of this hill right here across the driveway and down through the yard, and I will show them to you. Lately it's just been one long spring. It's just running, and when it's not raining, it's still running right across the driveway. So I can't wait to show you once it gets dry. Look, it's still raining. Another fun rainy day. So tired of rain. Rain, go away. Oh, come back one hot summer day. And yet another rainy day. Yeah. Noah, we need you. Where's the ark? Rain. Oh, look, it's raining. Wow. Again. I'm out here in my slipper socks trying not to get them wet. Going over to feed the giant dogs. The giant dogs. Alright. They did make it quite easy for me. Oh, guess what? It's raining. I think we've moved to Seattle, Washington. I really do. Alright. I have on my warm, fuzzy socks, so I have to walk behind the furniture because the porches are wet. Hello, girls. There's the pretty girls. Hello, pretty girls. Are you hungry? Are you girls hungry? Oh boy, oh look how good they'll be. They're sitting there like ladies. All right, I am going out here. Look, y'all. All right, it's still really cloudy, but the rain has stopped. Now, our yard is nothing but now this is a whole day after, I mean, it hasn't rained since early this morning, and our yard is just a mud pit. Whee! Isn't that horrible? Look at there. Our chicken has but all floated away. Bless its heart. Bless its little heart. Hello, lady. Hello. I bring you good tidings of great joy. It's quit raining, and it's not supposed to rain for a whole week. Yay! I'll believe it when I see it. Okay, let's see if she has left us any presents. Oh, look at all the presents. Wow. Man, she had kind of slowed down, but she has sped right back up. This is one egg-laying chicken. All right, goodbye, my love. I will see you again later. She always likes it when I throw some of the feed out onto the ground. Luckily, she has a heel, so she can get out of the muck. And we ended up putting the chicken pen, which of course we're only going to have, we're going to get her a friend come spring. So we're only going to have 2 chickens, so we put it close to the house so that the foxes would quit eating the poor things. So now they're safe and sound, and they have a light at night, and it's really been a lot of fun having them right here. Just living in my room. Yeah. Do you think I could? Yeah, oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna give you the down low. Is that still a thing? Down low? Anyway, let me just tell you what is going on at my house. It has rained so much that our ground here is just saturated. The water has nowhere to drain, and so therefore our septic system is just backed up in our house. We can't even use it. We can't. No. I mean, it's just, we can't take showers. We have been sponge bathing for the last 3 days. I feel disgusting. I have used all my dry shampoo. The can is empty. The can. This is my kitchen. I cannot wash dishes. Let me see. Cannot wash dishes. And we also have to brush our teeth in here. We have to get dressed in here. We have to take sponge baths in here. We are now using dish towels that I have to throw away because I never want to dry dishes with a dish towel that I sponge myself off with. My dry shampoo, empty. Just used the last bit of it. I mean, y'all, it is ridiculous. It is getting really bad. And as you can see out the window, it is still cloudy. The sun has not come out. It didn't rain at all yesterday, praise God, but it was still cloudy. And because it's cloudy, the water is just sitting there on top of the grass. There is nothing to dry it out. There's no wind to dry it out. So we're just having fun, and each day you wake up and see there's no sunshine, and I mean, it's actually sprinkled some today. Yay! I mean, I've had it, y'all. I have had it. And you may say, well, you know, maybe your septic tank needs to be pumped out. Oh, no. We just had that done. So I know for sure that is not the problem. So anyway, so this is my life. This has been my life for a week. And I think I'm fixing to just crack up. Yes. I don't know if y'all can tell, but our driveway, right, it hasn't rained in a whole day. And see, this is where these springs are not. These are the springs coming across our driveway, making their own little creek going all the way down the yard. This is what happens when our water table gets high. And let me tell you, as you know, it is high. On the bright side, look at our daffodils. These are like a quadruple centered daffodil. Isn't that beautiful? Look at them. See, that's a normal one right there. See if I can get it. Oh, and this is the quadruple one. That is so pretty. See, there's always a silver lining. Me and my dry shampoo self is getting the heck out of Dodge. I'm tired of this mess. So, I am going to go get me a big old sweet tea from McDonald's. And then I'm going to go shopping and spend some money. That always makes things better, doesn't it? And I actually have the money. I've been saving it. So, I've been saving it for a rainy day. So anyway, yeah, I'm nuts, y'all. I'm going to spend my rainy day money. Yay. That looks like rain clouds back there. Please don't let it rain. Please, please. There's 30% chance today, so that looks like about a 30% chance right there. Right down the road from us, they raise sheep. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. I wish I could get closer. I'm across the road. Look, y'all, I got new glasses. Yay! How about that? I can actually see. I have never had prescription glasses. I always get the ones from Dollar Tree. So we'll see how this goes. I may love them, I may hate them, and I may go back to Dollar Tree. I know they're a lot cheaper. Probably by about $188. So anyway, we'll see. Oh, y'all, my hair. Guess what? Let me show y'all this. It's raining. Can you believe that? Oh boy. All right, I am having so much fun. And guess what? My glasses actually turn into sunglasses. I did not know I got those. Wow. How about that? Interesting. Yes, I got me a sweet tea and I got me the Ghirardelli, the little chocolate thingies with the caramel in them. And I'm fixing to eat them. And I have found so many cute things on sale. So my money is going a long ways. And when I get home, I will show y'all what I bought. You're going to love it. Yummy. Oh, and look, y'all. Look. Blue sky. And the wind started blowing really good. So maybe it'll help dry up our problem. Here's my sign right here. Here's a rainbow. It's a sign that all my sewage problems will be gone when I get home. I hope. Good morning. I'm laying here in the bed. It's really early. And I hear gloop, 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 gloop. So, I am so hoping that our problem is gone. And that when I walk into the bathroom, the water will have been drained down the thingy instead of sitting in the shower. It's kind of like Christmas. Keep our fingers crossed that Santa Claus has come. So now I'm just, it's cold, so I don't want to get up, but I do want to go and see. I do. So let's do it. Let's go look. Let's go see. All right. Here we go. Ugh, stench. Ugh. It's still there. Oh. God. Just come down a little bit, but not that much. Boo. So now I have to go pee. I know, too much info, right? But that sounds easier than it is. So I have to wake up, come over here. Oh, and since my heat doesn't work, I have to come over to the fireplace. Let me see if I can show you. And turn on my electric logs. It actually has a heater in it, and it really does the job. It heats up the room, well, actually the whole house really well. So we are blessed there. And now I have to go over to Haley's house to go use their bathroom. And luckily, they are on vacation during all of this, so I don't bother them. But they're coming back today. Yes, they are. I know y'all can't see me. There I am. It's really dark. So here I go. So you may be wondering why I can go to the bathroom over at Haley's house, but not at my house. All the water in this place out here drains into the same septic system, but it seems like our bathroom on this end of the house has more of a direct connection to it somehow. This has happened one other time since we have lived out here, years ago, when the ground was just truly saturated. So anyway, I don't know what's happening again, and we still can't like shower and stuff over there because, like I said, all the water goes into that, and we're trying to get it to drain out so that it's usable again. So we still have to be real careful over there, and I kind of dread when they come home because, I mean, there's a lot of them, and so there'll be a lot of water use. So we'll see what, I don't know. But hey, stuff happens, and if this is the worst thing that ever happened to me, then nothing bad has ever happened to me, right? You always have to look for the silver lining. Always, and there always is one. The silver lining right now, coffee. Yeah. So I am gonna go make me a cup of coffee, and it actually looks like it's going to be a sunny day outside. Yay! I get to see the sunshine. I'm so excited. Ah, yes, the sound of a Keurig working early in the morning. and that elixir coming out. Oh, thank you, God, for coffee. What do you put in your coffee? I put a little bit of honey in my coffee and a little bit of International Delight Creamer. It is the only creamer that is non-GMO. Uh-huh. And it's delicious. It's the best one out there. Coffee. Yummy, yummy coffee.